Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to continue working on part 15 of this house build. Let's get started. So in this video, we're going to continue working on this. So the last thing we're going to do is to add in or to separate this one so that we could add grass. So we need to open your scene graph. So scene graph is open right now. It's showing floor number 6 when we highlighted this one when we click. So that's good because we need to right click here and then we need to isolate on and off. Once we have it there, press escape, go here, and then we can actually add it here, vegetation paint, go back, and then grass, and then we could add in long grass like this or the other one. I'm planning to add whatever's nice. And this one will be good enough for this. At the same time, this one as well. So I'm gonna choose this, select, increase the density, and then select this one right here. And then from here, we could change the diameter. It's the most important is on this spot. So I'm gonna make it small for now. So as well right here, this is important that we add things on this one and then around our building. And then after that, you could just make this one big and then just drag it while holding on the left mouse, click, and then here just keep on dragging it, and then there we go. Then as you can see, we have our grass, and let's add a little bit right here. Okay, so that's perfect. And then maybe right here as well. Select here, click, and then add those. I know we're going over right here. Maybe we could clean that up right now. It's really hard to clean up this one. But for now, let's click on the wall again, or the floor again, isolate it, and then let's look at it. The way it looks. I know it's over, that's fine. This one's over as well. Small diameter. .3, and then let's click those. Let's see if we can undo those. .5. So that's good. So now we could set up our views. So what I do first is I set up the view for what we have right here. I'm going to increase exposure at the moment right here. Ambient. White balance. Go back here. Camera. Visual effects. And then contrast. And then saturation. So that's what I usually do. This one we could just put this 3. Go to right here. So now we're ready to create an image. So to create an image, select that one. Click on create. Now we created, and then from here we need to change it and then you reuse that one. So I'm going to put it around this one. I'm fixing it, so I need to refresh and it will be fixed here. I want to make sure that this is centered, and then I want to zoom in. Like that. And then here, I'm gonna click more. And then now, we need to turn this on. This is the path tracer. And then here, how high you want it. Just put it to low for now, so that it will calculate it fast. And then from here, we need to change the exposure. So usually I put 2 right here, and then let's put 1 at the ambience. And then after that, you can just click or make sure the exposure is increasing, but not too much. And then here for the white balance. So that looks nice. Make sure to check your visual effects, contrast, and then saturation. I'm happy with this. And then from here, I'm going to refresh it again. And then I'm going to grab this or click this one and then change my view to a different view. And then click create another one, another image. If we select this one, it's the same one that we did earlier. Same setup, so you don't need to worry about having to set anything else. Here, we could just add this one. This one I think we need to pull it up a little because there's no element to show. This is create image number 3. So we have this one. We also have this. I think this one we could do lower and then farther a bit. I think that's better. So I'm doing that here and then right there. This one we could go up a bit so that we could showcase some of the curve, because this one is boring. And then click refresh, and then maybe one more, super zoom in. And then create. Now what you need to do is just select that and then change it to high. Select this again. Here, change it to high. And then here as well. Change it to high. And then change it to high. So now everything is on high. You'll be able to, this one is very nice when it's zoom in. So now I'm going to quit media mode because we're going to create a video. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this one, and then I'm going to put this back to white instead, because I noticed that there's too much, it's too much gray now. So might as well just put this one there. I'm not sure if this one, making it black, would be good. Or darker gray. I think it's too much. So we could just leave it like that. And then having this one really looks nice. Here, maybe we could increase the scale. Or not this one, so back, and then back. I'm talking about this stone wall. Scale it. Yeah, we need to make it bigger so that it's noticeable. Okay, so 10 is good enough, the maximum. The scale here, let's just put it up a bit. This one, pull it up a bit as well. I want to notice that this one is perfect. And then save it again. So now let's continue by creating or going to media and creating video. Here we're going to create a video by selecting this, and then now we created a video. We just need to create how it moves now. So click here. I'm going to put this one at 7. If you review it by clicking here, you'll be able to see how it looks like that. Next thing is, let's move it like that. Select a new part, move it across like that, and then selecting here. This one around 7 again, and then click on preview. You need to put some visual like that. This is just a still picture on a video. Let's add one more later on. What we could do is go up, select this one, go up like that, and then select this. This one should be around 6 only. And then after that, another still picture showing change your speed to number 3 so that you could have a nicer view. So that looks nice. And then 4 seconds. And then change your speed again to number 4. I would like to do this. Select new video, put it in the middle like that, and then put it in the middle or on the side like this. Now let's review it. So let's leave this one around 8. That will be fine. And then now I want another view showcasing this. And this one should be around 6 again. And then let's review it. And lastly, I want to have this one going here. Select that and then just going back. Let's put 6 again. And then review that. So that's good. I like that. Now we need to rename this. So I'm gonna rename it as show reel. And then duplicate this. And then rename it again to shorts. And then after that, go back again, click on more, click on more. We need to edit this to 1000 and then this one to 700. But before you do that again, you need to review it, because having it short is different from having the regular size. So here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move this one very near and then going inside like that, around here probably, and then go and check. And then the next one, I'm probably gonna zoom it in, and then on the other side as well. So I'm just editing it because of the way the shot will be looking. This one, I'm gonna still it like that. This one, let's move it front, and then just going up. And then next, the still picture, I'm going to focus a little bit there. So change it up like that. And then here, that looks good. And then going far away. So that's nice. I can do that. Another thing is, I want to have a different view of this one. Although we have this one as looking like this, I want it to be with the snow or rain. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna have this one similar to this, create. So this one is number 5 now. I'm going to click that one, change this weather, and then here we have a snow weather. But at the same time, if we click it here, we need to lower so I'm gonna lower this one. So low, and then the lighting, so the exposure, we need to pull it down so that we could notice the snow. At the same time, I'm going to make it rain snow. And then now you could just, so it's not visible right here, but you could just refresh this. And then at the same time, click it here again. Everything is green. Click create. This is number 6 now. I'm going to more, and then check this weather again. We need raining. And then click here, change this to low first, and then change the, sorry, we need to change the exposure to a dark, sun intensity down. Something like that. So that's fine. A little bit dark. And then now we just need to go here, change this back to high, go back here, and then click on refresh. We want to make sure that we have it on the high. So here we need to change that to high. And then click on refresh. I want to make this darker a bit. So here I'm going to just put it to low for now. To finish, and then now put it back to high, and then click image 5, and then image, and then refresh. So I'm happy with the way this tool looks. So the only thing you need to do is just save it, and then if you need to export, just select here, and you'll be able to export it. Select the media that you want, and you're good to go. So for example, here I'm gonna select export. I want the videos first. Select all, and then click on export. And then later on, I'll select the image. So here I'm just gonna quit there, select both two, and then export. Here I could just put it on my video, and then click on export. Sorry, you just need to here and select the folder. So thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.